Hello, everyone. My name is Teresa. Today, I will share with you the inspiring journey of Anna, an ordinary woman who, like many of us, was struggling to include vegetables and fruits in her daily diet. Anna knew these foods were essential to her health. But every time she tried to make a salad or juice, she felt discouraged. She was never one to eat vegetables and fruits, and that made her frustrated. And I want to tell you, Anna, that you're not alone. I also know how challenging it can be to maintain a balanced diet amid all the pressures of modern life. Stress, day-to-day responsibilities, and food temptations can lead us down uncertain paths, especially when we don't like salads or fruit. But remember, health is our greatest treasure, and it's essential to take care of it. If you are struggling to eat healthily and fear the risks of developing eating disorders or gastric problems, I want to share something that can make a difference. Meet Simply Enough's Pink Enough Powder, the solution that can be the turning point for you. This product is more than a supplement, it is a concentrated food that contains natural and proven ingredients. It has been developed to provide balance to your body and peace to your mind. And easy to include in your daily feeds, just add 3 taps or sprinkle the pink powder of enough to your food and even in the feeding of your child, because there is no age restriction. It has no flavor, so you won't even notice. See some of the real results, based on over 65,000 customer reviews. First customer. Enough was recommended to me by a doctor because I had 2 children sensitive to texture and food, and it was very difficult to make them eat the right foods. I've been putting it in their food for 2 years and trying to include it in everything. Now that they are older and more aware of how I make their food, and it's no longer a secret that I add it to their food, they now ask me to add it. And I even add mine if I think I need to increase my vegetables. I absolutely love this product and recommend it to anyone with demanding food. Second client. My 7-year-old daughter has always had difficulties with feeding, and we are looking for a way to insert some nutrients into her diet. Enough was a secret success in our house. We can add it to her meals without her noticing and feeling better knowing she's getting some additional nutrition. And the best part is that Simply Enough's Enough is easy to acquire. Just click on the blue link below the description of the video to visit the official website of Simply Enough and start your own journey of transformation in feeding. If you purchase the package with 6 cans to use for 6 months, it still has bonuses included. And you can buy only 1 can for supply for a month. Or package with 3 cans for 3 months supply. And each can of ENOF comes with a full money-back guarantee in 30 days. You can try it out and see how easy it can be to get all the plant nutrition your family is missing at the moment without any risk. And then, by adopting Enough in your routine, you are taking steps to take care of yourself in a way that respects your body. It's not about restrictive diets, it's about nourishing yourself and allowing yourself to enjoy all aspects of life. Feel the power to feel good and balanced again. Thank you for watching, and I hope you start your own journey to healthier eating with Simply Enough's Enough, remembering that the blue link below will take you to the official page, so you can buy with this warranty, and the purchase is 100% secure and reliable data information. Don't wait any longer, take the first step towards a healthier life. And if you like this video, do not forget to give a joinha, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring stories. Take care of yourself. Your health deserves it.